Cardano is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been absolutely killing it in Telegram, guys. We made an insane 90% this week. So if you guys still haven't joined, make sure to do so. There is a ton of insight with market conditions as well as my trades in Telegram. Link is in the bio. Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Cardano, we are still consolidating right between these exponential moving averages. We are still using them as resistance, and of course with Bitcoin and Ethereum, we saw some beautiful rally positions today. For those of you that were in the Telegram channel, you guys already knew exactly where we were headed, but of course you can see that right now in terms of altcoins, we have to be very careful. The fact that we are still trading below our exponential moving averages and using them as resistance is of course a very bad possibility, because of the fact that you can see from previous price analysis, we still have to test our major support level down here at 34 cents. As you guys already know, I don't like entering positions until we get that retest opportunity. Of course, over the weekend, we did see that beautiful retest getting close to that level, but we didn't quite enter that position perfectly. So this is why I'm going to stand at a neutral point as of right now. What I'm looking for from the bullish case scenario, of course, is a clean breakout above our exponential moving averages, and then an area of support before that continuation. But of course, if Cardano does end up retesting 34 cent level once again, we have to be very careful and make sure the fact that this level isn't broken. Of course, if Cardano does end up breaking our 34 cent support level, our main target remains down here at 28 cents. As you guys already know, the reason why is we saw Cardano have a massive short squeeze opportunity, but we never really saw that retest in terms of support. Once we broke out above that level, we pretty much had this ladder case upwards, and I always mention to you guys that when you have a ladder case upwards, we tend to have an elevator down, and of course right now that theory is still valid since we haven't broken below 34. I of course mentioned to you guys multiple times that if we do end up holding above the 34 cent support level, Cardano is still in its bullish territory. We have to be very careful here because of the fact, looking at previous price analysis, we have been in this range before where we actually managed to retest that 34 cent support level, have a false breakout, and then a massive rally upwards. If you guys pay attention, of course, in terms of Cardano, you'll notice the fact that the 44 cent resistance level was tested twice for a beautiful double top opportunity, and since then we haven't really seen that third test just yet. Of course, that theory is still valid, but of course if we do end up breaking below 34 cents, then our overall target would remain around 28, possibly grabbing all the liquidity down there, and then a stronger continuation to the upside. Now if we look here even on the hourly time frame, you can see of course the fact that we are trading above our exponential moving averages, but we are starting to see multiple rejection candlesticks. This of course is something we have to pay attention to. You can see that right now we have a very clear resistance level on Cardano right here at 37 cents. I mentioned to you guys multiple times that trading during the weekend tends to be very manipulated. You can see that Cardano had a massive move towards the downside, then we saw liquidity come back into the market, and as of right now we are consolidating. The question of course becomes, is with Bitcoin and Ethereum seeing some gains, is the altcoins going to also see the same opportunities? But we have to be very careful, because looking at the same sort of chart price analysis, you can see that the bulls are obviously struggling, trying to break above the exponential moving averages. The only time I would switch to a bullish case scenario, even on the daily time frame, is of course the fact that you can see we have yet to test our exponential moving averages as resistance, and this is why I mentioned to you guys to always watch the EMAs on the daily. You can see from previous price analysis, we actually saw the same sort of situation. Then we had a nice break above, retesting those exponential moving averages as resistance before finally retesting once again at 34 cents. So I wouldn't be surprised if we did see something like this and then a stronger continuation to the downside. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.